our next task will be sending a cold email strategy number 2. So you can also use this strategy. You can use either the strategy number 1 or strategy number 2. So all you have to do is to test which of these strategies worked well, like having replies from your prospects. Okay, so let's do strategy number 2. Okay, so I'm going to go here. And then, okay, so this is for e-commerce. I'm going to access the credit or access the email and copy that one. Okay. So we have here the email address. Another one is, let's try this one. Okay, access email. Okay. And then this one, at least 3. Okay, so we're using strategy number 2. Let's try this one. Okay, so there's no email. Okay. No email. How about this one? Let's try. Okay, no email. Email. And then 2, 2, 4. Yeah. Okay. So let's disregard this one. So let's just send 2 of our prospects. Okay. So we have here Mary. Mary. Okay. So I'm going to copy and paste the strategy number 2, cold emails. So still, these are for those who have not opened or replied to your BCS or lead magnet follow-up messages or have not accepted your connection request sent. Okay, so at least 3 emails a day. Okay, so I'm going to quick chat about your 2025 business goals. Okay. So, hi, Mary. Recently connected in you while looking for. Okay, so Mary. Okay, it's in e-commerce. While looking for e-commerce business owners. Okay. I requested it specifically because I help. Okay. Almost simplify their financials. Okay. Reaching out because I wanted to see if you're open to discussing your business goals this year. Would you be open to a quick call? Happy to send over a few times. Thanks. Okay. That's it. I can send this one. Then I'm going to copy this one. Okay, I'm going to send this. to the next. David. The next prospect. Okay. Open to a short call this week. Sometimes I also test the subject line. Okay, open to a short call this week. Hi, David. I recently connected with you, e-commerce business owners, because I have reaching out because I wanted to see if you're open to discussing business goals this year. Okay. So, David, offer statement, the market. Okay. Then click send. And then from here, okay, you place here the date, you send. Okay. And then, so then you update your daily tracker. Okay. So to code email. Okay. So that's it. Very easy. Thanks.